Alright guys, welcome back to mini series where I learn how to use Python while teaching you guys. This is currently week 14, day 94's weekly progress. Well, technically the entire day 14's weekly progress. It is currently day 95 because I just streamed like a video for day 95. Although I should have uploaded this video yesterday, but I was kind of busy. That aside, what did I do this week? Let me go to my give me screen. Okay, so this week, let me go all the way down. I went through OS module and buff bar logic, buff bar plus health bar logic. Honestly, I didn't go completely over the OS module, I should have, and then I went through some more game logic in Python. I went through some game logic and music in Python. I learned about the pygame.mixer module and then like bunch of functions that came with the music module. Okay, actually that came with the music in Pygame, so like to initialize the mixer in Pygame, I gotta type pygame.mixer.init. Okay, and then I went through some more game logic in music in Python, and then I went through some more game logic. I went through mouse pointer in Python on how to manipulate the mouse pointer, and then some more game logic. And yesterday, this two of these streams were supposed to be yesterday. This was like me going through game logic. Honestly, this was me going through game logic as well. I had a stream to like study for my college exams, but I got way too distracted and started coding again. And this was a vertical stream as well. Okay, and this is what I did today. That shouldn't be counted for my this weekly progress video, but that was just more game logic because this is day 95. This is the weekly progress for let's see, for day 88 all the way to day 94. Okay, and let me actually show you guys the game that I actually made. So it was this game, and I hope my headphones is connected. Is it okay? If I run the command.
Mission: collect 10 gold coins.
Okay, so I basically just dodged the stuff.
Ching, ching, ching.
Yo.
Ching, ching.
Yo.
I'm just letting you guys listen to the voice because I have the voice actor of this, by the way.
Ching.
That aside, I gotta get 10 points to win. Let's correct that score. 2 more. And guys, from the last stream when I was awful at this, I improved way too much, guys. I'm like a complete pro at this right now.
Wave completed. Sit back and wait for further instructions, warrior.
And if I hit R, there we go.
Mission: collect 10 gold coins.
Let me try getting hit.
Yo.
Okay, now what happens if I lose?
You have fallen, warrior. You must try again and emerge victorious.
There we go. Alright guys, so that was basically it for what I did this week. Let me go back to my main camera. Okay, so that was basically it. It is a little dark right now because it's like the sun is almost gonna set. I was done streaming. I gotta work on some of my college stuff. That aside, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, like it helps my algorithm, sharing makes you smile, and subscribing is like a cherry on top. And guys, I did start multi-streaming on Twitch, Kick, and YouTube at the same time, so you guys can follow me there and subscribe to me on YouTube. And also join the Discord, link is in the description. And well, I'll catch you guys in the next live stream or video. Peace!